Hey guys, it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's a back to school emergency kit for girls, for high schoolers, college girls, elementary kids, just girls in general. I believe that every female should have an emergency kit with them, whether they're in school or not in school, because you never know when you have an emergency. It's life. And I'm currently having a back to school giveaway, which I'll have linked in the description down below. I've already got like 7, I think, back to school videos already up, so you guys should totally check it out. I go to back to school shopping at Target, Walmart, and even the Dollar Tree. Just look at me doing that back to school shopping. She's doing that. And if you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up, Home Skillet Biscuit? My name is Morgan, and you should totally subscribe to be part of this bam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening. And let's get started with the video. You can pretty much get a pouch like this from Target, Walmart, Victoria's Secret, Forever 21, the Dollar Tree, Office Max, Office Depot, whatever it's called. You can get a pouch like this from anywhere. However, mine is from Victoria's Secret, and this one is the one where you can just like swipe up the sequins and it's all silver, swipe it down and it's all colorful. I got this in a Black Friday bag, maybe like 2 years ago. Yeah, and here it is, and it can fit a whole lot of stuff. So let's get started. The first thing is some light pads. You never know when you're going to start your period. I'm meaning you never know when you're going to actually start it, and you never know what time it's going to start when you've already had it multiple times. I had my period at school, which is horrible, and then I've also had it at home. We all have periods wherever we go, so you never know when you're gonna start it. So just in case, here you go. With that being said, if you start your period and that stuff gets heavy, because it gets heavy real quick, at least for some of us, not all, but some of us, it gets heavy real quick. I have not 1 but 2 tampons. Or you can have like thicker pads. Not everybody wears tampons. I didn't start wearing tampons until I was like 16. So, and I have the Super Plus ones. I don't know why I like the cardboard tampons, but I do. You don't have to get those ones. You can get Playtex, and those have the plastic. But however, I just like the cardboard ones better. So this is a Super Plus tampon. It really absorbs all the blood. It does the job. I'm not, staining my clothes, and that's it. I don't even know how to say this, but you need underwear. And see, I have squished it up. You need underwear. Yet again, you never know. You might start your period and you might bleed through your underwear. You need underwear. My mom used to keep underwear in the car just in case. You need that just in case underwear. You never know. You never know if you decide you go hang out with your friend and you spend the night and you sleep in her clothes, but you're not borrowing her underwear, so you have your own just in case. Or you're at school, you bleed on yourself, you have underwear just in case. This is literally just in case. Don't look at me funny going, why do I carry around an extra pair of underwear? You never know. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. I forgot what I'll be throwing in here. So we have makeup wipes, just in case if you want to wipe off all your makeup. Maybe there's something dirty on your skin, I don't know. But I have the travel size makeup cleansing wipes, and these ones are from Target. I also usually buy the ones from Walmart, or there's some from Neutrogena that they sell too that are travel size. Those ones have 7, and the Target brand ones are not Target brand, I don't know. And the Walmart brand, I do know those are the Walmart brand ones because I can't buy those ones anywhere else. Those ones are, those have 10 in them. Next thing, as you can tell, I lose my hair ties a lot. I like to keep my hair up, at least half of it up. And, you need hair ties. I'm probably going to have to buy a new pack very, very soon. This I bought at the Dollar Tree. You can buy it at Walmart, yet again Target. Just have some hair ties with you, or you don't even need like a big bunch. You just need a few hair ties just in case, you know, your hair could be down. Put it up. Just put your hair up and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have a hair tie on my wrist, because I actually wear my hair ties on my wrist a lot. And you're like, oh my gosh, I have some in my emergency kit. Let me get it out. Whoopity whoop. Swoopity doop. And there you go. Next thing that I have, or that you should have, is deodorant. You sweat. You need deodorant. I don't like getting the mini size deodorants because I feel like they just don't work with me. They just don't. And I'm still sweaty. So I use the Secret deodorant, clinical strength. Your girl does not want to stink. I just don't. I don't care. I don't care if it's $12. I don't care if it's 30 bucks. I just want good working deodorant. And some deodorants just don't do the job. This one does. It's clinical strength. So I'm not about to smell like BO or anything. You can take a shower. You still need deodorant on. That's just facts. Facts are facts, and that is a fact. You need deodorant. The next thing you need are some bobby pins. I have these funky bobby pins right now because I'm like really into like everything that's funky and 90s. And I have some black ones at the bottom, but sometimes I like to be a little adventurous. And you know, to go for the yellow or the red or the purple or the blue. And these are some thick ones. I'll be just sticking it in, go hold that hair back real quick, like that. And or you can get regular bobby pins. I just like these ones because they're fun and they're thick and they can hold my thick hair. Next you need Kleenex. You never know when you're gonna need a napkin, so you can use a Kleenex. Or when your nose is running and you need to blow your nose, you need a Kleenex. Blowing your nose in a rough paper towel hurts the hell out of your nose. At least my nose. So you need Kleenex. You just never know. And I got this, honestly, you can buy this. They sell it in a 3-pack. It's only $1. They sell it at Walmart. They sell it at Target. I'm going to say I bought this at Target. Or was it Walmart? I can't remember. But yeah. And there's 10 in each one. So next, we have some hand sanitizer. Yes, this is the same one from my giveaway. Not the exact same one, as in I bought myself my own. You need hand sanitizer. Sometimes places don't have soap. Sometimes at your school, they don't have soap in the soap dispensers, and you need to clean your hands, because if you don't clean your hands, you could have all these germs on your hand, which you already do, no matter what, but you don't want more germs. Ugh, not the cooties. So you just need hand sanitizer. We have a giant bottle in my house right now. We do not play with, you know, getting the germs on the hand. You just need it. Next thing, you need a comb or a brush. Comb is what's going to work for me at the moment, just because I have my hair out, my hair is thick, I need to comb through my hair, or my hair gets like tangly and a struggle. So yeah, a comb is what I need. So I always have a comb just in case I want to comb out my hair or comb it up and brush it back or something. You need a comb. You can have a brush. If a brush is what you use, have a mini brush. Then I have some band-aids. You never know. Ouch! Oh. You never know when you're gonna cut yourself, which I hope I did cut myself right then there. You never know when you're gonna get hurt. So just in case, have some band-aids. You know, you might get a paper cut, just like I might have just did. Okay, next thing, nobody wants chapped lips. I got Chapstick. This one's a Vaseline lip treatment, and it does wonders to my lips. I got this from Primark in the UK. This is good. You need just a chapstick that works for your lips. Get yourself a chapstick. No one likes chapped lips. You can get a chapstick literally anywhere. I just like this one. And yes, no chapped lips. No crusty lips. You never know. You could be kissing someone at school, like your boyfriend, or you could just be walking around and talking and someone's looking at your lips, and you best believe you do not want some crusty, dusty lips. No one wants that. Then I have some lotion. This one's a sports lotion. It's real thick. It's just in case I don't put lotion on before I leave. Sometimes you do that and you're rushing and you're just like, oh, I forgot to put on lotion. You have it in your bag so you're not ashy, because no one wants to be ashy. No one wants to be 50 Shades ashy. You just want to be good. And the last thing you need is some money. So just $5, because yet you never know when you're going to need some money. Not everybody carries cash with them. I don't, except in this emergency kit. Every once in a while I'll carry cash, and sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't. You just don't know. So here is a $5 bill. I suggest carrying $5 in there. You really just don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this Bam Bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl, oh, what's up and oh, what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I was talking really fast. But peace out, skillet. Biscuit. Ooh.